We've got 3 little boy poodles. Here comes Murphy. Here comes Spud. Tater! Come here, Tater. This is sweet little Murphy. Hi, Murphy boy. There's little Tater. He says, I'm being a little bit cautious. Yes. And Murphy is just like, hey, this is me. Uh-huh. Hi, sweetheart. This is a chocolate sable because he's got darker brown on the ends, lighter brown underneath. And so he's basically a chocolate sable and white boy. He's a party color. And then they're all party colors. This one is brown and white party color. And there's black and white party color. That guy right there, Spud, is the biggest. These two, pretty close. I have to just weigh them. They're 1 day before their 7-week birthday. So these guys are getting close to being... They're ready to go, actually. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, pretty. They've got very nice little petite noses. Very good at grooming. We just did the grooming. They have been groomed, a few times. This is probably about their 3rd time. And, come here now, Mr. Spud. Let's get your little close-up face. There's Tater. Here's Spud. Yes, baby boy. Spud's got a little bit of tear staining. I think we'll just have to start giving him the, there's different stuff you can put in their food. I'm hoping when that black gets more coming in around his eyes there that he won't have that. Sometimes it just starts happening. The more solid food they eat. Yet, the food should not be causing anything. There goes Tater. Hi, Tater. Hi, Spud. Oh, and this is what you call a little baby house kitchen. He's the little cushion and cream kitty. He say, I'm the baby. I'm a little non-explorer. I want to be with my mommy. Yes. That's what Tater's all about. He says, I'm a cushion and cream kitty. That one, he might be the farm kitty, or I know they're not kitties, but if you ever read the old story, there was an explorer. That might be the ship's cat. And this one, he's very playful. Here comes Tater. Aww. You can see this is a very nice litter of party-colored poodles. I mean, a very, very nice litter. Their markings are very pretty, not odd-looking. I mean, even this little boy, he just is a beautiful little black and white. Just beautiful. Baby Tater. Little baby Tater. Looks pretty in blue. Those two are getting very adventurous. It's so much fun to watch puppies play. It is so much fun. They can just turn anything into something. Hi, little Murphy. Hey, Spud, where are you going? Hi, Spud. Baby Spudnik. Okay, where's Murphy? Murphy's behind me. Here he is. There's Murphy. Okay, I'd say we got plenty of time on here. You've gotten an idea of what these little sweet scampy boys are like. Bye-bye.